Welcome back, YouTuber. This is your boy Blow the Striker. Today, I have my co-worker Kev. What's up, Kev?
What's up, people?
All right, let's open this up. Let's see
what kind of shit is this.
Yeah, Kev. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this chainsaw man, guys.
Whoa.
Let me move the box out of the way, guys.
Oh, that shit is sick.
Damn. Oh, guys, look at this, Kev. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, it's a good design, man. Look at Denji.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Wow, nice interior, everything. Let's open it fully. God, so much tape on here, guys. And more tape. Wow. Oh my god. This one you don't have to assemble much, guys. Look. Denji, man. Oh my goodness. What do you think, Kev?
This statue is pretty good looking.
You know what I'm saying, Kev?
Look at all those blood on the chainsaw.
Oh my god, this is really good design. Oh, wow. Oh, that's sick.
That is good.
Alright,
Good stuff,
YouTubers,
man.
please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.